So what weight think we're going to get? What was it 80? It's 71. I'm going for 60 grams, I think, without damaging it. This will be, we'll be able to put this back together, no problemo. You could drop out the DPI button if you want. You could also drop out this front panel. I'm going to keep it looking stock. We might do that later. So we changed out the battery from the original to a 200 milliamp one. We don't need any of those screws. The feedback on it. Boom, baby. Under 59 grams. Could gun through on the old number right there. Nice, mate. See? All the Xtrfy I need to do is take out all of this crap, give us a slightly lesser battery because it's USB-C. As long as we get a day or two out of it, nobody cares. Take all of this stuff out of it and you can get a 59 gram mouse. Super light ergo, stock, no drilling. No harm, no mice were harmed during this process. I might have to fix that. Is that bad? You know what? We're going to fix that now. I can't live with that for tomorrow's stream. Oh, I kind of have to because I kind of have to use it stock. I'm not sure I can use that much. That's just way too much pre-travel. Alright, let's fix it. Xtrfy pre-travel, which is pretty rough on this stock. Should be an easy fix, but way too much pre-travel. So the easiest first off step is you just, like I've done before, I've done a few mods of these, I would bend them down naturally, and then it probably will. That might even just fix it. It's better,